Can my acne scars be treated by Chinese New Year? As Chinese New Year approaches, many patients ask whether their acne scars can be treated in time. The answer depends less on urgency and more on what type of scar we are dealing with, because downtime and results differ significantly. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. PIH refers to dark marks left behind after acne heals. This is pigment, not a scar. Because PIH sits closer to the surface of the skin, it often responds more quickly than your true scars. With about 1 month before Chinese New Year, PIH can often be lightened, and the skin tone may look more even and clearer. This alone can make the skin look significantly smoother and more presentable. PIH is often the most responsive within a short time frame. Treatments can be started 3 to 4 weeks before Chinese New Year, and the downtime is usually minimal or none. Mild redness or temporary darkening of the pigments may occur, but these typically settles within days. Superficial acne scars. Superficial acne scars are the shallow textural changes that you can feel on the skin, rather than the deep pits. Because these scars sit on the upper layers of the skin, they tend to respond faster than your deeper scars. With a 3 to 4 week window, it's realistic to see improvement. But it's also important to understand what's happening underneath. The treatments we use work by stimulating collagen repair, and collagen doesn't form overnight. It develops gradually over weeks or months. So in the first few weeks, what you usually see is that the skin surface becomes smoother and light reflects more evenly. Now, the scars don't disappear, but they look softer and less obvious, especially under lighting and in photographs. By Chinese New Year, patients with mainly superficial scarring often notice that their skin feels smoother and looks more even though collagen remodeling continues beyond that. That's a realistic expectation for this time frame. Improvement now, with continued progress over time. Now, for the deep acne scars such as your ice pick, box scar, or rolling scars, they often involve structural damage and collagen loss in the deeper dermis, usually caused by the loss of collagen and fibrotic teething in the deeper dermis. Because these scars involve structural damage, they cannot be corrected quickly. With 1 month, the goal is not about scar removal, but to improve the overall skin quality, reduce the contrast around the scars, and making them less noticeable rather than trying to eliminate them completely. Deep scars usually require multiple treatments over several months to remodel collagen safely and effectively. So in conclusion, if you're asking whether acne scars can be treated before Chinese New Year, yes, treatment can start and meaningful improvement can occur. If you're asking whether acne scars can be removed by then, that is not medically realistic, especially for the deep scars. The right approach is to address what we can improve now, start the healing process early, and continue treatment progressively for lasting results. That is how acne scars are managed properly.